We've got Cynful vegetable fried rice today. We're going to start out by heating our pan to smoking hot, add a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil, and then the whisked eggs. We want to cook these really fast to encourage small curd production. Just keep it moving. Once the eggs are done, remove them from the pan and add a couple more tablespoons of avocado oil. Now we're going to add our rice. Break those rice kernels up and try to get them as broken up as possible. And we're going to fry these until they're completely heated through, much drier and slightly brown. Once that's done, we're going to add our frozen peas and carrots and stir those in until they're defrosted and start to soften. This is a whole lot easier than you think. Now we're going to return the eggs to the pan and go ahead and add those green onions. Stir that all around. Get that all real mixed in and heated through. Now we're going to add our soy sauce, our sesame oil, and our salt and pepper. Now you can add things like chicken, beef, shrimp, or any of those other things that you want to try to add to it to make it even better. Stir that around, get it all mixed in good, and then put it in a bowl and top it with some more sliced green onions just to garnish it. There is a link to a downloadable and printable PDF file in the description, but I'm going to give you the recipe anyway. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. Had a great time with this. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have an awesome day.